Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Fronter 620. And right now we're going to be standing in the lobby of the AmericInn by Wyndham in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. And this video we're going to ride the elevator, which is behind this wall, believe it or not. And it is a Schindler MT 300A. So let's give it a call. Take it for a ride. Definitely nice to film a Schindler after filming several Dovers and Otises, since those are kind of elevators that exist in the Doverton Peninsula. Alright, so here are two. Let's go down to one. Let's get a cab view. And for a Schindler elevator, this doesn't run too bad. Here's your indicator right there. Schindler logo. Key switches. Indicator lights. Here are your buttons. Here's your phone. So I'm going to exit the elevator. Just for the elevator, we'll turn it up to 2 so we can listen to the motor. We're using that room right there. That was a nice motor. Yeah, so apparently this elevator could have easily been made glass, but for some reason they decided to not make it that way. Oh well. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's going to be it.